Hi, wanted to do a little walk around the new game room, which is the bonus room. We added a bunch of games. We got tic-tac-toe on the wall over here, a couple of dart type games, ring toss and things. Our new shuffleboard. Gotta have the stools underneath for those shorties to reach up there, right? Got that thing there. Let's see, what else we have? Oh, a few other games, lots of games downstairs, but we like to keep a few up here as well. Over on this side of the room, we've got the Pong console there with lots of classic games from that era. And then a little ice cream shop playhouse in here with some ice cream goodies in there, as in pretend ice cream goodies. And then fireplace, and we're back at the beginning here. So let us know if you have any questions. I will note that through this door, it's the bathroom for stone, if you wanted to connect that unit. This door goes back out into the upstairs hallway, and this door leads into the red rose unit.